tomorrow. So this is the reason why we really came together and collaborated and did this, is so that we can celebrate the business ownership for Shareeka Screen and 311 Aroma Co. It is hard being a business owner. It is not easy, especially when you have a brick and mortar. So the fact that she made it through her first year and she is thriving, that is what we're celebrating today.
And it's still surreal to be a year from opening. Like, when I opened, I didn't think ahead a year. So thank you all for celebrating me. Thank you all for coming. This has put so much fire in me to move forward. I have so many ideas. I can't wait to get home and just jot down things. So again, thank you all for coming. Thank you individually. I really, truly appreciate it. And I just can't wait to see what comes from this, what blossoms from this, what grows from this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.